What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Bonnie from FNAF Five Nights at Freddy's. So I'm on landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with the eyes. So they're kind of like circles, but like a little bit oddly shaped. They're not like perfectly round. So we just go around like this. You kind of get a bit square maybe on the bottom. Right? Same on the other side, pretty much. Don't have to be exactly the same. Just roughly. Like that. So he's got like these big eyelids and everything's like black around them. So kind of like hanging down over his eyes there. And then the bottom of the white of the eye curves around like so. And we do something similar on the other side. Big eyelids. Down around. Up into the corner there. And then iris and pupils, so you just do like a circle. There. And then pupil in the middle. Like that. And then again. Pupil in the middle. Like that. And then, of course, we will color in around the eye all black. Okay, so that's his eyes. So then we got like a square nose, like right in between the eyes. It even like touches the sort of edge of the eyes here. Right, like that. And then it comes to a little like round point at the front, like so. So then it's got like a snout. Kind of bumps around like this. Maybe like a line up the middle. So we have the shape for the head. So we'll go around like so for cheeks first. And then we go up the center, around, and down. It's kind of pointy in the middle a bit. So we got those ears, right? And it's got like metal sort of here first that connects them because it's an animatronic sort of doll thing. And then one floppy ear, like one further down than the other, right? So we'll do this sort of taller one first. So it kind of like bumps up that way. And then we have another section on top, which kind of comes around like this. Right, and then the other side comes down there. And then we have a gray color inside. And then we go around here. Doop. So it's like a different section inside the ear. And then we go this way. And this is like the floppy one, right? So it's got like another bit that kind of hangs down. So it like comes down around. Different shape to the other side. And then it has that different color kind of hanging down here. And then that other one sort of on the side here. Right, so these is like 3D kind of edge lines and things. And if you want like texture on the face, you know, to make them look like, kind of like dirty and not a bit creepier. Bottom jaw, right? Real big. Right, so it comes out that way. Out that way. And then he's got like a big round chin, it looks like. So like the inside of the mouth, say, is like here. Right, and he's got like this bumpy sort of chin. Like so. And maybe like a bit of an edge to his lip. And we got teeth that stick up, no tongue, it's just like red flatness in there, right? So we got like teeth that just stick up here, right? Right, and then it's like, it's all seems to be just like red back here. Maybe there's another tooth or something up here. And they're all white. And then, so you got like a bow tie, like a big one. It's like bigger in the movie than in the game, I think. So it goes like underneath his chin. I'll just check the movie version. Okay, well, can't find it. So we'll just go like the way it is in the game. Bow tie, pretty big. Like so. Right, and then so he's got like a body, like fluffy belly going that way, right? Comes around. And then there's a gray section, kind of like the ears, just here. And then we have like shoulder cover plates there, and it's like it's all black in here. You can see a bit of the animatronic stuff, but it's mostly black. Right, and then a big round arm that way, and then a big round arm down here. And I think I'll just like color in here black just to make it look like it's going back. Right, and then you can add some like textures again, dots and stuff, just to make him look like he's a bit dirty, I guess. Not like brand new. But Bonnie, I think that's everything from Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.